In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Content Reel plugin in Figma. If you're designing interfaces and need fast, realistic placeholder text and images, Content Reel is a huge time saver. We'll install it, open it, and use it to fill text layers, place avatars and photos, randomize content, populate multiple layers at once, and even work with custom lists when you need real project data. Start in Figma and head to Plugins, then browse Plugins in Community. In the search bar, type Content Reel. Open the plugin page and click Install. After installation, it will appear in your Plugins menu so you can access it from any file. To open it, right-click anywhere on the canvas, choose Plugins, then select Content Reel. A panel slides in with categories for text and images. If you don't see it, try the top menu under Plugins. Keep the panel docked so you can quickly swap content as you design. To fill in text, first select a text layer on your canvas. With the layer active, look through the content reel categories like names, emails, company names, or addresses. Click any item in the list, and the plugin instantly replaces the selected text while preserving your font, size, and styles. This is perfect for turning wireframes into believable mocks without typing everything by hand. If your text is getting cut off, switch your text box to auto width or resize the frame to fit. For images and avatars, select a shape or an image frame in your design. In the plugin, open avatars or photos and click an image. The shape fills immediately. You can double click to reposition the image inside the frame if needed. This makes profile lists, cards, and hero sections look polished in seconds. When you want variety, use the shuffle or random button in the plugin. It quickly cycles through options so you can compare different states, test layout resilience, and spot edge cases. Duplicating your frame before shuffling gives you side-by-side versions to review with your team. You can also populate multiple layers at once. Select several text layers, then choose a data type in Content Reel, like names. Each selected layer receives different content automatically, which is ideal for tables, lists, and repeating UI components. Finally, if you have access to the Pro features, you can create custom content. Add your own lists, such as client names or product titles, or import CSV data to mirror real scenarios. This keeps your designs accurate without exposing sensitive